Crickets don't make noise by rubbing their legs together. I thought they did, but I was wrong. Because if you take a look at the underside of a cricket's wing, you'll notice something strange. Right here. Do you see that tiny dark line that goes up and down? This is called the file. Here's what it looks like close up. It has a bunch of ridges on it. Think of this file as kind of like a gyro, a Latin percussion instrument with a bunch of ridges on it. When crickets and katydids chirp, they scrape the file on one wing against a hard edge of the other wing. That's how crickets make noise.